Hey, what's up guys? Mopar for Life here, bringing you another video update. This is in regards to my pepper plants and pretty much all my plants that I have. I normally don't have problems with bugs or anything like that. This year, as opposed to maybe the last couple seasons and stuff like that, but I can tell you a reason why I think that is the case. Pretty much I would say about a week, every week and a half, every 10 days, I like to give my pepper plants and all my other plants, as you can see, my potatoes, my herb garden over there, more potatoes, bell peppers, tomatoes over there. But specifically my pepper plants, I like to give them a spray about every 10 days, and I do that by pretty much diluting 70% neem oil is what I use in a 25 ounce bottle that that you can normally get. I picked up this Zep commercial bottle for I think $1 at Home Depot, $1 something at Home Depot. But I pretty much just drop a few teaspoons into about 25 ounces of water, and then I go over to each and every plants I have. I'm looking at my chocolate bootler right now, but I'll give it a couple of sprays, trying to hit the bottom sides of the leaves, and then obviously the top side. So about 3 sprays per plant, and that's what I pretty much do if I start to see more bugs in the garden areas. This is my backyard here, but as you can see, I got quite a few plants that I like to take care of and keep them managed. Even to my fruit trees here, I got a lemon tree. This is a Eureka semi-dwarf lemon. I like to spray that too, but I really do not want any problems with bugs. We spend a lot of money to get these plants, especially this Carolina Reaper here. I'm not saying it costs a lot of money, but as with anything, money's money, right? We don't want to be throwing things away. So I'll give my Reaper a spray here, the top a spray there, and then over on the other side a spray. So, and I'll just continue the process, hitting all my plants. Oops, wrong plant. Give that a spray there too. Perfectly safe for your plants. Normally I do this either early in the morning or late in the evening. You don't want to do it in the blistering sun. You don't want your plants, you don't want the foliage on your plants burning or anything like that. So I cannot stress that enough. Make sure the weather is cool and calm, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I do to kind of protect my plants, stuff like that. So I'll hit each and every single plant. Got a lemon, orange tree here, some citrus trees. Check out what that is, a Washington navel orange in these wine barrels. But once again, this is a great way to protect your plants from aphids, especially cucumber here. Great way to protect your plants from aphids and other types of bugs and stuff like that. We get a lot of beetles around here too, that like to eat into my potato plants here. A lot of webworms, a lot of, what are they called, like pincher bugs, earworms, as they're known. But I like to spray the foliage on my potato plants. Just strike everything, even the tomato plants too. I really haven't had a problem with my tomato plants, but I hit everything. Just a little example of what I do to all my plants. And if you do this too, I guarantee you it'll work. The neem oil is very, very effective in taking care of pests. Be sure to look on the bottle of whatever you're purchasing to see if you are wiping out what you need to wipe out as far as pests go and stuff like that. You don't want to buy anything you don't need. There are some bugs it's not effective against, but nonetheless, this was a little update on what I do every 10 days to my plants to keep them healthy and growing. So this is Mopar for Life saying, hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Be safe.